Hey there? No way! Coinbase and Shiba, the new currency, are now extinct. This goes to show that we often hear about Shiba and others saying Coinbase connections in the headlines. Their link usually brings good news. They've reappeared in the news, leaving people wondering what's going on. This video will discuss the recent actions of Coinbase and the Shiba Inu coin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest content on Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start with the video. The Unification Fund, a blockchain service provider actively involved in the creation of a Shiba farm, is gaining momentum as its Shiba Inu Layer 2 solution revealed in a recent Medium blog post that they want to deploy Shiba in a public beta testnet in Q3 in conjunction with the testnet upgrade for the fund, which will include the long-awaited IBC Gravity Fund update. According to reports, the mysterious XRP whale transferred more than $210 million in Shiba Inu from a Binance client to a private wallet. According to both surveys, an XRP whale converted nearly $40 million of Ripple into 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, driving the graying percentage to 21% and decreasing the percentage of XRP by 5%. The deal was deemed the largest in Shiba's history, so the whale's portfolio now contains nearly 48.7 trillion shares. As a result of a record deal, the crypto whale raised a total of 20,024,240 chips worth $210,105,910. According to the survey data, from early May, 1.5 billion Shiba was burned in an attempt to reduce the market supply of the token and improve its price, but the move did not have the desired effect. After reaching the top 10 most capitalized cryptocurrencies and inspiring investors to imagine around 2021, the stock lost about 8% in the week that followed. Shiba and Dogecoin both saw a real crash of almost 80% over the past year. But large investors seem to be taking advantage of the lower prices and continue to build chips, which, along with the other major currency, Dogecoin, are beginning to be used by big companies like Tesla. AMC is the largest owner of cinemas and theaters in the world, as are GameStop and Nordstrom. According to late June data, cryptocurrency whales hold chip tokens worth $594,171,595, or roughly 14.48% of their total holdings. Notably, the whale responsible for the massive transfer apparently started moving in shortly after 1 billion tokens were issued by the end of May. The whale has acquired nearly 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens, according to survey data. With this transfer, the whale will have eclipsed the light, is the largest holder of Shiba tokens, which holds nearly 32 billion tokens and has become the largest holder of Shiba tokens worldwide. Now let's move on to the main topic. Shiba Inu is now the 11th popular cryptocurrency on Coinbase, with 80% of users preferring to buy the most popular dog-themed cryptocurrency. Additionally, the Shiba Inu is the third most searched coin on CoinMarketCap over the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu's popularity is starting to soar across all cryptocurrency exchanges and price tracking sites, as the Consolidation Fund announced its intention to deploy SHIB in the public beta testnet during the third quarter. Recent data from Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, indicates that 87% of its clients raised their net long positions in SHIB by trading over the past 24 hours, while only 13% of its users chose to short the 14 largest cryptocurrencies in the world. Furthermore, CoinMarketCap stats indicate that SHIB is now the third most traded cryptocurrency on the world's leading cryptocurrency tracking website. In the days following the above events, the SHIB turnover increased by more than 95%. The current 24-hour volume of the most popular cryptocurrency based on dogs is $414,627,637. The Shiba Inu is now trading at $1,020.05 a unit, according to a new article from Crypto Basic. XRP-focused giant crypto whale has amassed a record 20,024,240 shouts worth $210,105,912 in a single transaction. Within the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu announced the public launch of the beta testnet for its Layer 2 blockchain initiative. Miriam's launch will happen in the third quarter of 2022, following the success of the two blockchain private testnet alphas. The team behind Shiba Inu has decided to publish the Shiba Inu public beta test in the third quarter of 2022. According to a statement, the alpha testnet has been running for weeks without incident, and the developers think it's time to release the project for public testing. The shibatoken public beta IT testing program is scheduled to launch in the third quarter to coincide with the testnet upgrade of the box, which includes the upcoming IBC Gravity Box improvements. Shiba Inu mentioned in the release that when Samarium is released for public testing, individuals will be able to fully engage with the network and participate geographically in validation procedures. A public beta testnet will enable the interaction of the entire network, including the validation procedure. According to the consolidation, the main tool undergoing extensive development is the wallet application, which is intended to be a fully comprehensive application covering two-way asset transfers between a single LL and LL to asset transfers at every level of the staking / and future versions. shibaswap integration, which will also be deployed on L2. Shibarium, meanwhile, is part of the projects that will prove the Shiba Inu is not a meme currency, but rather a utility project. The L2 network based on the Ethereum blockchain is expected to have the same characteristics as the ETH scaling platform Polygon. The Shiba Inu developers will move all SHIB-related projects, including Showbox, the upcoming collectible card game, and the Metaverse project to the Layer 2 network once Sparium is online. According to new Calico analysis, rival cryptocurrency exchange FTX overtook Coinbase in terms of Bitcoin trading volume in May. Despite Coinbase's record number of trades, the disparity between transaction volumes and trade counts indicates that Coinbase had a lower average dollar value per trade than FTX. The average trading volume on FTX is almost twice that of Coinbase's $1 pair with the USD-BTC pair. According to the article, Coinbase has retained its user base. Analysts at Kakao note that a number of smaller exchanges, including Bitfinex and Bitstamp, share a significant portion of their market share. The pattern suggests that the market is consolidating in the face of persistent, pessimistic sentiment, as smaller companies have a more difficult time keeping up with the competition, the report notes. Last month, Coinbase also recorded a significant increase in trade volumes. However, it was unable to surpass the all-time high seen during the sell-off on May 19, 2021 as a result of China's crackdown on Bitcoins. These concerns included periodic outages at Coinbase and Binance, halting of Ethereum withdrawals related to tokens, and connection issues reported by Kraken. The study also shows the Coinbase premium, which is the difference between how early Bitcoin prices appeared on Coinbase and Binance for the USD pair of BTCS. In May, the premium turned negative after nearly 6 months of being positive. Recently, Core Scientific reported Coin 2022 results of $54.2 million. Total revenue of $192.5 million increased $138.3 million, or 255%. The increase in total revenue was primarily driven by revenue from digital asset mining and hosting, which was somewhat offset by a decrease in equipment sales. Total hosting income increased by $20.5 million, or 162%, to $33.2 million, from $12.7 million. The increase in customer hosting income was primarily attributable to the acquisition of new customers and the execution of new hosting contracts for related parties of the miners. However, equipment sales to customers decreased by $5.6 million, or 18%, to $26.3 million. The decline in equipment sales to customers was primarily attributable to the deployment of fewer miners, which was offset to some extent by an increase in equipment sales to related parties as a result of increased demand for new generation mining equipment. Revenue from searching for digital assets was $123.4 million, or 1,281%, to $133 million from $9.6 million. The increase in mining income from year to year was mostly driven by the increase in self-mining hash rate. The self-mining hash rate increased by 1,975% from 0.48 to 8.3 TH, an increase of 1.975%. The number of Bitcoins given out was 3,202 as against 206 in the previous round. Bitcoin averaged $41,299, down 7% from $44,274, compared to $39.07. Cost of income of $122.5 million increased $82.8 million, or 209%. This day ends. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest material.